You know that feeling when you wake up and you actually feel rested? Like your back doesn't ache. You didn't wake up sweating at 3 a.m. and your partner's tossing and turning didn't drag you out of a deep sleep? That feeling is what we're chasing today. I've been sleeping on the Alwyn Home 12-inch full-size hybrid mattress in a box for the past few weeks, and I have a lot to say. So let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to LivedInReviews, where we test products in real life, not in a showroom. And today, we're doing a full, honest review of this medium-firm hybrid mattress from Alwyn Home. Stick around, because I'm covering everything. The unboxing, the feel, the cooling, the support, and whether it's actually worth your money. So first things first, the unboxing experience. This mattress ships compressed and rolled up in a box, which honestly makes delivery so much easier. No awkward furniture delivery windows. No dealing with a full-size mattress through a narrow hallway. The box is manageable enough that I got it set up on my own. And if you've ever tried moving a traditional mattress solo, you'll understand why that matters. Once you slice open the plastic and let it breathe, the mattress starts expanding pretty quickly. Alwyn Home says give it up to 72 hours for a full expansion. But honestly, mine was looking great within the first day. It's compatible with platform beds, slatted frames, box springs, or you can even put it directly on the floor. So no matter your current setup, you're covered. The knitted fabric cover immediately caught my attention. It feels soft to the touch, and there's a noticeable breathability to it. It doesn't feel like that plasticky, stiff surface you sometimes get with boxed mattresses. It's a clean, well-finished product out of the box. Now let's talk about the feel, because this is where it really matters. This is marketed as a medium firm, and I'd say that's an accurate description. It's not a cloud-soft, sink-in experience, but it's also nowhere near sleeping on a board. What you get is this really balanced middle ground, where you feel supported without feeling like the mattress is fighting you. The construction here is a hybrid, meaning it layers gel-infused memory foam on top of individually pocketed coils. And you can absolutely feel both working together. When you first lie down, the memory foam gently contours around your body, especially around your hips and shoulders. Then underneath that, the coils give you a solid, responsive base that keeps your spine in alignment. I sleep in multiple positions, sometimes on my back, sometimes on my side, and this mattress handled both really well. Side sleepers, you'll appreciate the pressure relief at the shoulders. Back sleepers, the coil support keeps your lower back from sinking into that dreaded U shape. If you tend to deal with morning stiffness or body aches, this medium firm balance is genuinely designed with that in mind, as it helps disperse body pressure rather than concentrating it in any one spot. Let's talk about sleeping hot, because this is one of the biggest complaints people have about memory foam mattresses. Traditional memory foam traps heat, and that's a real issue for a lot of sleepers. Alwyn Home addresses this directly with gel-infused memory foam, combined with that breathable knitted cover I mentioned earlier. In my experience, this mattress sleeps noticeably cooler than a standard all-foam mattress. The pocketed coil layer underneath also plays a big role here. Coils allow air to circulate through the mattress structure, which is something solid foam can't do. I didn't wake up in a heat bubble once during my testing period, and that's saying something, considering I usually run warm at night. If you're a hot sleeper and you've been burned, no pun intended, by previous memory foam mattresses, this hybrid construction is a meaningful upgrade. Something I always look at before recommending any mattress is what it's actually made of. Sleep is a third of your life. The materials matter. The core memory foam in this mattress is CertiPUR-US certified, which means it's been independently tested and confirmed to be free from formaldehyde, mercury, fiberglass, and heavy metals. That's not a small thing. A lot of budget mattresses on the market cut corners with materials that you really don't want to be breathing in every night. Also worth calling out, this mattress has a fiberglass-free cover, which is increasingly important to check for. Some mattresses use fiberglass as a fire barrier hidden inside the cover. And if that cover ever gets opened, it can be a serious mess and health hazard. Alwyn Home keeps things clean here, and that earns genuine respect from me. If you share your bed, this section is for you. The individually wrapped pocketed coils are specifically engineered to isolate motion, meaning each coil responds independently to pressure, rather than transferring movement across the whole mattress surface. In practice, this means that when your partner rolls over, gets up for a glass of water at 2 a.m., or adjusts their pillow, you're far less likely to feel it on your side. I tested this with a partner over several nights, and the motion isolation is genuinely good for a hybrid. Hybrids typically transfer a little more motion than all foam mattresses, but this one performs well above average. If you've been sacrificing sleep quality because of a restless partner, this is one of the more practical upgrades you can make. So here's my honest verdict. The Alwyn Home 12-inch full-size hybrid mattress delivers a genuinely well-rounded sleep experience. It's cool, it's supportive, it isolates motion well, and it's built with certified materials you can actually feel good about sleeping on. The medium firm feel hits that sweet spot for most adult sleepers, whether you're a back sleeper, side sleeper, or somewhere in between. It comes backed by a 10-year limited warranty, which is solid peace of mind. And for a boxed hybrid at this price point, the overall quality to value ratio is hard to argue with. Alwyn Home designed this with the full sleep experience in mind, from the moment you unbox it to every morning you wake up feeling refreshed. If you're in the market for a mattress upgrade and you don't want to spend showroom prices, I genuinely think this one deserves a spot on your shortlist. I'll have the link down in the description, and if you've already tried this mattress, drop your experience in the comments. I always love hearing how it holds up for other sleepers. If this review helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Sleep well, everyone.